Hey guys, how are you? First of all, I want to ask you, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, like it. It means a lot to me. Now, I want to show you the Philips Hue Cher and how it looks like when it's assembled to the ceiling. So this is a lamp. It's very elegant, very nice, and very cool. Why is that? Look, this is the remote control. You can set up few scenes with this remote, with a simple and basic program app. You can set up 4 scenes, but in the next video I'm going to show you really cool things that I did in my bedroom. So the basic setup for the remote is you have the on button, off button, and here the dimmer, right? So this basic setup goes like this. By each press you get to go to another scene that you've set. Okay? So this is the first scene. I think I called it relax. You can name it whatever you want. Another press, it goes like this. Another press like this. And another press like this. So we have, I think the basic scenes are relaxed, night mode, reading, something, brightness, something like this. So this is the way you do it. It's very nice, very cool, and of course you can set it the way you want. Okay, you can do like this until it's turned off, right? And you can do it like this. So this is the amount of brightness in the specific color that you chose. Really beautiful product, beautiful colors, and for my bedroom I think this is the best one I could get. So in the next video I'm going to show you a great, amazing tip how you're going to do the best thing if you have a wife or a boyfriend or whatever, and you go to bed and you want to read, or maybe she wants to read and you don't want to disturb each other. This is going to be on the next video. See you then. Subscribe, like, comment. Love you. Bye.